In today's video, I'll be showing you on just how to download YouTube videos from your mobile device. So, let's hop straight into the video. Now, first things first, you'll need to download YouTube and YouTube Studio. And here's why. To download your own videos, you'll need to use YouTube Studio. Now, on the home screen, you have 5 icons: Dashboard, Content, Analytics, Comments, and Earn. Click on Content. Then, select the video that you would like to download, and click the 3 dots. And tap on Save Video to Device. This is what you should see. Now that you've saved your video, it should pop up in your photos. Now to download other people's videos, you'll need to head on over to YouTube. Then, scroll until you see a video that you would like to download, click on that video. Now where you see the like, dislike, and share button, go to that section and scroll down till you see the download button. Click on that. Now, to even download a video off of YouTube, you have to purchase YouTube Premium. There's no way around this unless you screen record the video. Now, for Premium, it is $18.99 a month, but they do offer a 1-month free trial. Now, let's address some top comments when trying to download videos off of YouTube. Now, after watching a couple of top videos on how to download your videos off of YouTube, and this one stuck out the most because it had 1.1 million views, and I've watched it a couple times over a few months, and this video got up to 70k dislikes, and there's only 5.6k likes. This is a good one because yes, after your premium membership expires, you can no longer watch the videos that you've downloaded. I like this one as well because YouTube has made it so that you can only watch the videos that you've downloaded through their app. And again, the only way to really get around this is if you screen record the video. Can you download somebody else's video, not just to watch offline, but to your laptop? The answer is yes, but you would have to open up YouTube from your computer, download that video, and then you can watch the video offline from that device. Now, if you want to download these videos, you can use something called a video prompt converter, and it should give you up to 4K quality. This is a comment that I've seen religiously, that I guess people are using to get around it. No, I have not tried this personally myself, so I'm not sure if this is something that will actually work. And for this last one, here to transfer videos off an SSD card, off your laptop, out of YouTube, the best way to do this is to use a Foxified plugin for a Chrome browser on a PC, of course. Then you can download the MP4 file to any other place. And that's how to download YouTube videos off your mobile device. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys, peace.